boys and girls. Today we are going to start something a little different in math. You will still work on your addition and subtraction facts in reflex each day, but we are going to move on and do something a little different for a little while in math and take a break. So today we're going to work on lesson 4. You will need your lesson 4 packet. If you don't have it, pause the video and get your lesson 4 packet. You need it in front of you. So our new standard is right here. All right, it says determine whether a group of objects up to 20 has an odd or even number of members. And then you need to be able to write an equation to express an even number as a sum of two equal add-ins. So that is a mouthful. So, first thing we need to do is understand even and odd numbers. So you need to be able to identify the numbers even or odd up to 20. Then, once you figure that out, if it is an even number, you are going to learn how to show that even number using an addition problem. So I'm going to teach you how to do both of those things this week. So, let's look at our paper. Herschel is thinking it through. He said, what are even and odd numbers? Well, just like in phonics, you have consonants and vowels. Numbers are either even or odd numbers. All right. Even numbers are numbers that can easily be broken into groups of 2 inside of that group. So think about in the picture, they have socks. Your socks come in groups of what, boys and girls? 2. You have a partner. Just like you have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, and of course your feet, there's 2. If you only have 1 sock, can you wear them? No, you can't wear them. You don't have enough. You have to have both. You have to have the pair. Right, so for it to be even, you have to have a buddy or a pair, a partner. All right, so in this group, how many socks were there in all? Let's count how many in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many in all? Yes, there were 8 socks. It says look at all 8. Now, to find out if that number was even or odd, they tried to match each one up with a buddy. They were doing the buddy system. So they circled each one that could have a partner or pair. So he has a partner, they circled it. This one has a partner, we circled it. This one has a partner, we circled it. This one has a partner, we circled it. Look at that. So now each one has a partner. Do we have any socks left over? No. All right, if everyone has a partner, we can say that that number is even. What can we call it? Even. So over here to the side, I am going to write even. Oh, Miss Fires keeps forgetting her thing. It's still not working. It is even. I'll try to get it to working again. All right, so even is E-V-E-N. Even. As far as it's going to have to get Miss Jennifer White down here to fix my board. And so the grouping of socks is even. Everyone shares the same amount. We are even. Now, let's look here. make groups of twos or pairs, not everyone will have a partner. So let's count how many shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, how many altogether? There are 7 shoes. Now let's see if we can make partners or pairs. All right, so these two can be partners. So you guys circle it. Won't let Miss Byers circle it, but you guys circle this first set. All right, the next one. Circle it. Let's see, I can do it on the black and white paper like y'all's. Okay. And we have another set here. So I'm going to circle it. We have another set here. And now, look here. Do I have another set? I have 1 shoe left. He does not have a partner. He's all by himself. All right, guys, when you have 1 not left in the group, that is called odd. So when there's 1 left over that can't find a match, that number is odd. So the number 7 is odd. How many shoes are not in a group of 2, guys? 1 shoe. So there's 1 shoe not in the group. And this shows odd. So 8 is even, but 7 is odd because I have 1 left over that won't make a match. All right, turn the page. And let's see what they teach us on this page. It says, think. Make groups of 2 to tell if a number is even or odd. A number is even if you make groups of 2 and have no leftovers. So if everyone has a partner, the number is even. No leftovers makes the number what? Even. So this is the number 6. The number 6 is an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 3 groups of 2. Now, a number is odd if you make groups of 2 and have 1 left over. There is 1 left over, so 5 is odd. So if you make your groups and have 1 left over, doesn't work. It's odd. Think. Try making 2 equal groups to tell if a number is even or odd. A number is even if you can make equal groups. So each group has the same number, so it's even. So they have 3 in each group and it matches up. That makes it even. Here, They tried to make equal groups, but this group has 3. This group only has 2. Is that equal? No. Right, it says, is 9 an even or odd number? Why? Or what do you guys think? 9. You put my camera back up. Alright, so if we have 9, I'm going to make dots and try to make partners. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let me circle my groups. Alright guys, is 9 even or odd? So I made 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it even or odd? 9 is an odd number because I have 1 left over. I do have 1 left over. That makes it an odd number. Very good job. Okay, I'm going to give you some to practice. I will have the pairs, and you will decide if that number is even, an equal number in the group, or if it is odd. Let's look at it one more time. Remember, even numbers have partners with no leftovers. An odd number tries to make partners but has 1 left over. Okay? Let's see how well you do, and we will try again tomorrow. Try your best on your work.